How are you?
We are fine, thank you, Madam.
How was your yesterday?
It was fantastic.
Mine too, it was fantastic. Welcome and get seated.
Thank you, Madam.
Good. So we want to sing a song. A good song, isn't it?
Yes.
Blessing, want to sing a song? Chora, chora, chora we.
Chora, chora, chora we.
Chora picha nzuri, chora we.
Chora we.
Unda, unda, unda we.
Unda we.
Unda picha nzuri, unda we. Chora, chora, chora we. Chora picha nzuri, chora we. Unda, unda, unda we. Unda picha nzuri, unda we. Good. We want now to learn about mosaic. Can you say mosaic?
Mosaic.
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 Mosaic is the art that is created by sticking small pieces of one material onto a surface. Sticking one type of material. It is the opposite of collage. Collage, which is made by making different types of material, isn't it? But mosaic is made by using just one type of material, but it can be of different colors, isn't it? For example, we want to see a picture here. Can you look at that picture? It is made by? It is a mosaic, yes. It's made by? It is made by rice. Have you seen any other material there? No. So when you are making a mosaic picture, it should be made by only one type of material. One type of material. But it can be of different colors. It can be of different colors. Now when you are making mosaic, before you make the mosaic first, you must draw the picture that you want. You must draw the picture that you want. So when you are drawing, you must draw a good picture. You draw a good picture. Now, we have different materials used when you are making mosaic, isn't it? For example, you must have a carton or a support surface when you want to draw, isn't it? Now, some of the material that are used, we've said you must have eggshells. This one is rice. This one is
Beans.
This one is beans.
No.
It is maize seeds. It is.
Beans.
We have here what?
Beans.
Bean seeds. We have bean seeds. We can use the local available materials. We can use the local available materials like, what is this? Soil. We can use even the soil to create the pictures, and even we can use these seeds of what? Mabuyu. They can also be used to make good pictures. And when you are making these pictures, you stick on the surface, isn't it? What do you use when sticking your pictures?
Glue.
Glue. Can somebody give me your glue, please? Who has that glue? Did you carry your glue today? Bring it here very fast. Yes, thank you. So, you must have the glue after drawing your picture. So, you apply your glue first. You apply your glue first. After applying your glue, then you start sticking the way I did. You start sticking one by one and neatly. Don't just hurry when you are doing it. And when you are after doing your mosaic, after sticking everything that you have done, finally what are you supposed to do?
Wash your hands.
You wash your hands with soap, because you have been handling materials. Some of the materials are not clean, so you are supposed to wash your hands after doing your work of mosaic. So after this, every group is going to make its own mosaic art, isn't it?